Hi everybody, my reading challenge continue with the story of seagull and the cat who taught her to fly. And today we come to chapter 9, Finding the Human. But as you know, in the previous chapter, after many attempts to help the seagull lucky to fly but failed, our cats decided to break the taboo by asking for the help of the human. However, it's not easy for them to choose a human because they already made a list uh, among the people they knew and discarding one by one. They might be the chef at the restaurants where the secretarial and colonel lived, or the owner of Bazaar Hari, uh, or the boy at the Choba's family, or the captain of Seven Sea. However, no one among them is suitable. Finally, they thought of a man who is the poet of the owner of the black, breasty white and black cat, Angelina. And now I am reading aloud the paragraph that describe who who is who he is, and why he is suitable for conducting the flying of the seagull. Let's start. He was a strange human who sometimes laughed after he read what he just written, and other times folded up the sheets of paper without reading them. His terrace was always softly flooded with soft and melancholy music that made Angelina drowsy and drew deep sighs from the tomcats passing by. Angelina's human. Why him? The colonels asked. I don't know, but I feel I can trust that human, Choba confessed. I've heard him read what he's written. Beautiful words that make you happy or make you sad, but they always please you and make you want to hear more. A poet. What that human does is called poetry. Volume 17, letter B in the encyclopedia. Einstein assured them. Why do you think this Angelina's human knows the flying? Secretary wanted to know. Maybe he doesn't know how to fly with bird's wing, but when I've listened to him, it always makes me feel he is flying with his word. Choba replied. All who agree that Choba should go to see Angelina's human, please raise your right paw, the colonel proclaimed, and that was how they authorized Joba to consult with the poet.